Welcome to Take 5 with Archer Library, exploring the IRC website. I'm Diane Schrecker, Curriculum and Instruction Librarian and Head of the Instructional Resource Center at Archer Library. This tutorial provides an overview of the IRC website, featuring the IRC's OneSearch, catalog search for children's books and IRC collections, access to journals providing reviews, and IRC basics including services, pricing, and resources. Access the IRC website from the Click Links menu on the Archer Library homepage. When a member of the IRC staff is online, questions asked the IRC chat will automatically open. If you need help, select Chat Now. Otherwise, click No Thanks or close the widget. Keep in mind that if chat is offline, you can use it to access the IRC's fax page for help. The IRC website has three main areas. The first is site navigation. Quick links provide access to resources and information specific to the IRC, including the IRC's fax page, IRC library guides, and information about IRC printing. On this page, links are shortcuts to select areas of the IRC website, including About the IRC, IRC OneSearch, Services and Pricing, and Ask the IRC. You can use these links or simply scroll to explore the page. We'll take time to look at each area as we move through this tutorial. The second area is the research section of the IRC website. It features IRC OneSearch. IRC OneSearch is specific to IRC collections. It provides users with the ability to conduct a search for items located in Archer Library's catalog. For instance, this search for Harry Potter returns everything in the Ashland University Library catalog. When you're conducting a search, if prompted, be sure to log in with your AU credentials to view complete results or request items. You can also use the drop-down menu to search for just children's books or items in the IRC collections. You can also use the left menu to refine your results. There's also an advanced search option with the IRC OneSearch. It supports selecting collection parameters prior to conducting your search. Directly below IRC OneSearch are links to select journals that provide professional reviews for juvenile and young adult books. You can explore Booklist, School Library Journal, Hornbook, and Kirkus Reviews. The third area of the IRC website features information about the IRC's resources and collections. About the IRC provides information about the IRC, links to contact information, and our social media, including blogs, Pinterest, Instagram, and our Kaltura page. IRC hours are provided, and you can view the library main calendar for additional information. IRC OneSearch provides an overview of the IRC's OneSearch capabilities. It also gives you information about IRC collections, what's in the IRC collections, and how they can be used. Services and Pricing provides available IRC equipment. It also details the IRC price list, paying for IRC supplies, and equipment information about the button makers, Ellison die cut machines, and laminating. Finally, Ask the IRC shares information pertaining to chat usage and our policies. If you have questions about the IRC or the IRC website, feel free to contact me for additional information or help using these resources. Thanks for exploring the IRC website. We look forward to your next IRC visit.